Hello, Mr. Kumar. I'm taking a video to show you the difference between QILIN and the super welding. We start. I show you the difference about the system. Okay, this is what we start the screen, and this is QILIN. You can see the screen, the interface here is very simple, and I will say sometimes you don't know what to do and what is going on, you don't know, and you check the super weld. The super weld is much easier to understand, and you can see the help. They explain all the parameters. I mean the function. They explain the function, and the interface is much nicer. You can see here is very easy to understand. For users, it's much easier to understand the machine and less after-sales work. Sometimes you can ask them to check. When they ask you what is this, you can ask them to check this. Here it explains very clearly. And here they have a temperature alarm, the protection, which the QILIN don't have. I would say this is a very good function. And the temperature, you can check here. The temperature, you can see the maximum temperature around first floor is 70, and you can set them 70. I would say this is a very good function. And the others is almost the same. You can check the QILIN, it's almost the same. And parameter setting and almost the same. Nothing special. And the welding result, I think they are almost the same. They are very good system. They both very good system, but I think the Super is much better interface and easy to use. And like the fish scale welding, you simply touch here. You can get the fixed scale welding result, and here you can touch here, spot welding, and they will finish the fixed scale welding. It's very easy. And for the QILIN is much, I will say this is much difficult to understand how we can do like the fixed scale welding. You have to learn a lot and ask. You see here, and however, and you can see here they don't have they have an air pressure warning, but they don't have a temperature warning. And I would say they are both good, but the QILIN is not easy to understand, and they both can do some preset, the welding preset here, and you can do some change here and save return. That's many. And the quality of both, I would say it's very good, but I'm always saying easy to use, and to get the same result, it's much better here. I would say much better here. And they have a monitoring, yes, monitor to check, to see. And here, no, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know that much about the chilling system. Okay, and I will take a video for the welder, the feeder. I will take another video for the feeder.